Hello guys and welcome back to TechNerd's channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Messenger chat delete problem. If you are facing issue deleting Messenger chat on your phone, there could be several reasons behind it. Messenger continually undergoes updates and changes, so the steps may vary slightly depending on the version of the app. Here's a general guide to troubleshoot and resolve Messenger chat deletion problem. First of all, update Messenger. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Messenger may need a reliable connection to perform certain actions. Restart the app or phone, close the Messenger app and reopen it if the problem persists. Try restarting your phone. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.